We often talk about the innovation that ATEC brings to every surgery, from groundbreaking approaches and precision instrumentation to informing better surgery through EOS and Insight. But we don't often talk about the magic behind how we operationalize this innovation through our distribution facility in Memphis, Tennessee. To provide the world-class support that our patients deserve, incredible responsiveness is required. And our Memphis team works with extreme urgency year-round. We're located just steps from the FedEx hub in Memphis, allowing us to reach any OR in the US within 12 hours, or even across the globe when needed. We process hundreds of orders a day, and they all start the same way. An ATEC rep places an order in the MyMediSet app, then customer service drops the order to our team in Memphis, which sets off a remarkable chain reaction.
The minute we get an order, we spring into action. We're not shipping widgets or tennis shoes. There's a patient at the end of every order that we ship.
We're here practically 24/7, or at least have coverage 24/7 to be as responsive as we need to be.
ATEC put our facility here in Memphis primarily so we can work closely with our partner FedEx. This allows us to have order cutoff times up to 11 o'clock at night and have something anywhere in the country the next day.
So in extreme situations, we can react and be responsive in roughly 45 minutes to an hour. So when an order comes in, particularly if it's a courier or an expedited order, we get notice of that on our monitor that overhangs the entire department. The team will find that set, prioritize that set, and have that turned.
In this facility, we do everything from receiving to set processing to set builds, outbound shipments, and a big part of that is quality control, which is performed by our quality group here in Memphis.
So QC is responsible for validating specs and that the actual item matches the design. Once it passes inspection, it's released to be put away to its appropriate destination based on the existing demand.
The reason we do this every day is primarily our patients and supporting our sales reps that are out there with our surgeons, changing lives.
On an average day, the outbound team is shipping about 200 to 230 sets a day, in addition to about 1,800 replenishment orders.
We even have EOS here in our facility in Memphis, Tennessee. Our EOS team here in Memphis is amazing. They handle their inventory, their own shipping, they do installation, and not only that, we actually have an edge here that we can do training for our surgeons right here in Memphis.
So we recognize that EOS is the foundation of what ATEC is building. And since it's such a critical piece, we've built out a global training facility and also dedicated warehouse space within this facility to make sure that we can deliver on that promise to our customers. Here in Memphis, we are the North American home base for EOS. You know, they're manufactured in Paris, they're shipped over here, we store them here, and we arrange for the delivery of the EOS systems to all of our customer sites. In addition to that, this is the global training facility for EOS. So we bring all FSCs from around the globe into this facility to train them on the EOSedge system to be able to install and maintain that equipment. We also do upgrades. So if a customer has an older EOS 3 model, we will upgrade that to an EOSedge. In addition to that, we have bone mineral density launching, which requires some hardware and software upgrades on the Edge system, but it increases and enhances the capabilities of the piece of equipment. It's a great time, it's really busy, and we couldn't be more excited.
We're not just distributing widgets, we're changing lives every day.
The order fulfillment process in Memphis is incredibly complex and requires attention to detail. The effort it takes to keep it moving is massive, but the effort is worth it, because it's all in service of the patients and surgeons that we serve. Fulfilling ATEC's mission to revolutionize the approach to spine surgery would not be possible without the dedication, responsiveness, and resourcefulness of the people in Memphis. We are one team. We ensure every surgeon has the tools and intelligence that they need when they enter the operating room. That's how we continue to change patients' lives together.